Top 5 Best Budget Full Suspension Mountain Bike. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. Trek 𝗕𝗂𝗴𝗲𝗁 Full Suspension Mountain Bike. This mountain bike doesn't just handle rough terrain, it conquers it. Built for adventurers, fitness seekers, and weekend warriors alike, this full suspension beast delivers unmatched control on trails, pavement, or gravel. Unlike rigid frame bikes that jolt every bump, its front and rear dual shock absorbers smooth out the ride, while 21 precision gears let you shift effortlessly from steep climbs to fast descents. Dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, rain or shine, outperforming standard rim brakes in wet conditions. Crafted from durable high-carbon steel, it's rugged yet responsive, designed for both men and women who demand performance without compromise. Whether you're dodging roots or cruising forest paths, every ride feels stable, powerful, and exhilarating. Just note, while built for trail dominance, it's optimized for recreational use, not extreme downhill racing. Ready to elevate your outdoor fitness? This bike doesn't just keep up, it leads the pack. Number 4. Outroad 26-inch Full Suspension Folding Mountain Bike. This folding mountain bike doesn't just collapse, it conquers. Built for urban explorers, weekend warriors, and commuters who refuse to compromise, the Outroad 26-inch delivers full suspension and 21 precise speeds in a rugged, high-carbon steel frame that folds in seconds. Unlike flimsy competitors, its dual-disc brakes grip confidently on wet trails or steep descents, while the non-slip pedals and ergonomic design keep you stable through every turn. Available in bold black, electric orange, or forest green, it's as stylish as it is functional. Toss it in your trunk, stash it under your desk, or ride it straight into adventure. No assembly headaches, no performance trade-offs. Sure, it's not built for pro downhill racing, but for real-world versatility? Few foldables match its balance of power, portability, and polish. This isn't just a bike, it's your gateway to freedom, one fold at a time. Number 3. Mongoose Grafton 21-speed mountain bike with aluminum frame. This bike doesn't just handle trails, it dominates them. Built for weekend warriors and daily commuters craving adventure, the Mongoose Grafton blends rugged performance with smart design. Its lightweight aluminum frame cuts through rough terrain without weighing you down, while the front suspension fork smooths out every root and rock. Unlike heavier steel frame rivals, this ride accelerates fast and climbs effortlessly. The 21-speed drivetrain, paired with precise trigger shifters, lets you dial in the perfect gear instantly, no fumbling, no lag. Knobby mountain tires grip loose dirt and wet pavement alike, and mechanical disc brakes deliver consistent stopping power, rain or shine. You're not just riding, you're in control. Sure, hardcore downhillers might crave full suspension, but for trail exploration, city-to-peak commutes, and everything between, the Grafton strikes a rare balance of capability and value. This isn't just a bike, it's your gateway to freedom. Number 2. 𝗕𝗂𝗴𝗲𝗁 FSX 1.0 Full Suspension Mountain Bike with Disc Brakes. This bike doesn't just handle trails, it devours them. The 𝗕𝗂𝗴𝗲 FSX 1.0 Dual Full Suspension Mountain Bike is engineered for riders who demand control, comfort, and confidence on rugged terrain. Whether you're carving through rocky descents or climbing steep fire roads, its lightweight aluminum frame and responsive dual suspension absorb every bump, delivering a smoother ride than rigid or hardtail competitors. Hydraulic disc brakes offer precise stopping power in wet or dry conditions, something many budget bikes skimp on. You'll feel the difference instantly, less fatigue, more flow. It's ideal for weekend warriors and serious trail explorers alike. While it's built for performance, it's not a downhill race machine. Extreme jumps or pro-level abuse may require upgrades. But for real-world adventure, daily rides, and technical single-track, the FSX 1.0 strikes a rare balance of durability, agility, and value. This isn't just a bike. It's your gateway to the wild. Number 1. Mongoose Impasse Mountain Bike, durable and smooth ride. Speed meets stability. The Mongoose Impasse redefines what a hybrid bike can do. Built for urban adventurers and weekend trail riders alike, it blends rugged durability with smooth, responsive handling. Unlike rigid city bikes, the Impasse features front suspension that absorbs bumps effortlessly, while its lightweight aluminum frame outperforms heavier competitors. Tackle potholes, gravel paths, or sudden detours without breaking stride. The intuitive gear system lets you shift seamlessly, whether climbing hills or cruising downtown. You'll feel confident, agile, and in control, no matter the terrain. Plus, the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, so longer rides stay enjoyable. While it's not a full suspension mountain bike, the Impasse strikes a smart balance for riders who refuse to compromise. Whether commuting or exploring, this bike adapts. Ready to ride smarter? The Mongoose Impasse doesn't just get you there, it makes the journey part of the thrill. Thanks for watching Best Budget Full Suspension Mountain Bike. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.